Hello, it's Danny Watkins with American Eagle Harley-Davidson, and this week I get the new bike of the week, 2023 Street Glide Special. This one here, ladies and gentlemen, we painted in our custom paint shop we have here in the black and white with a red pinstripe. This thing is beautiful with the stretch saddlebags, the way it says Harley-Davidson down here, and the traditional bar and shield. This thing also has the rider safety defense system, RDRS, infotainment system, USB plug, easy opening saddlebags. This thing's got everything, folks. It's a beautiful paint job. It's a one-off, so you're not going to see a lot of these around here. And come on down here to American Eagle. Let us show you how easy it is to get on one of these. And it's Street Glide weekend. This Saturday, we're going to be pushing the street glides and test driving and having a good old time. Come see Danny at American Eagle. Let me show you how easy it is to do this. Thank you.